Welcome to day 7 of our Python course. Today we will focus on practice session where we apply what we have learned so far. We will be working on two mini projects, a basic calculator and a number guessing game. These projects will help reinforce key concepts like functions, loops, conditionals and user input. Our first mini project is a basic calculator. The goal is to create a program that performs basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. You will need to write separate functions for each operation and use loops to allow users to perform multiple calculations. You will also need conditionals to choose the correct operation and handle errors, such as division by 0. Users will input numbers and choose the operation they want to perform. Here's the basic workflow of our calculator. First, display the available operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Then ask the user to input two numbers. Based on the user's choice, you will perform the selected operation and display the result. Finally, prompt the user if they want to continue with another calculation or exit the program. Here's an example of how you can write the code for the calculator. The program defines functions for each operation: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Inside the main loop, the user can select an operation, input two numbers, and see the result. If the user chooses to divide by 0, we handle that error and display a message. Now let's move on to our second mini project, a number guessing game. In this game, the computer randomly selects a number between 1 and 100, and the user has to guess it. After each guess, the program will tell the user if their guess is too high, too low, or correct. This project is a great way to practice using loops and conditionals. The workflow for the number guessing game is simple. First, the program randomly selects a number between 1 and 100. Then the user enters a guess. After each guess, the program checks whether the guess is too low, too high, or correct. The loop continues until the user guesses the correct number. Here's an example of the code for the number guessing game. We use Python's random module to generate the secret number. A while loop repeatedly asks the user for their guess, providing feedback after each guess. When the correct number is guessed, the game ends and the program congratulates the user. Here are some additional considerations. You can customize the calculator by adding more advanced operations like square roots or exponentiation. Similarly, for the number guessing game, you could increase the range of numbers, for example, allowing the user to guess between 1 and 1000. Good programming practices like using functions to organize your code and handling edge cases such as invalid inputs are key to creating a clean and effective program. By the end of these projects, you should have reinforced key concepts like functions, conditionals, loops, and user input. You will also have gained practical experience in building a simple Python program. These skills will serve as a foundation for more advanced projects as we move forward in this course. Great job! You have now completed the practical session for day 7. These mini projects will help you become more comfortable with Python and prepare you for more complex tasks in the future. Keep practicing and see you in the next session.